Hey everyone, I am Arush Dikshit and you are watching Connect Tech Arush English. Please subscribe, like and share my channel so I will be motivated for creating technical videos like this. So let's get started. Today we are continuing our Python series and this is our part 17, and in this video I am going to teach you about classes and objects of Python. So let's go to our computer screen and let's see what they are. So here I have already opened my VS Code and I will just open terminal and write the command to run. And here I will teach you classes and objects. Now, what if you have to make a car? Then firstly you will create a blueprint of that or directly create that car. Yes, you will create a blueprint of that so that you can create that car. So just like that, the blueprint of the car is class and the object, the actual thing is object. So let's say how can we create a class. So here I create a class and the class name first letter must be capital. So I write here car, then colon, then enter. Here you can write the methods that you want. Now what are methods? Methods are those things that are triggered when you call something in the object. So here suppose I write here define, and this is the normal function that we create, and the functions of the classes are called methods. So I am creating a method here called drive, and this will print driving the car. And now we have created our class. Now we have to create the instance of that class. So suppose I create here Maruti Suzuki and car, and for creating an instance we will firstly write the name of that class, then these brackets, and then Maruti Suzuki dot drive. Now it will print driving the car. It will take a parameter called self. You must have to pass this parameter. This is the rule for that. Now it's printing driving the car. So I hope you understand classes and objects main methodology, and that's it guys. This isn't a video. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching the video.